Hi, Chase.
Hello.
Scoot your ass over. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my little brother's makeup. He's being a good sport and letting me turn him into me. So we're just going to get right into it. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. And this is good if you have drier skin. Don't worry, you can wash your face as soon as...
No, I'm just going to keep the makeup on.
Oh, I'm down for it. I feel like you're like contemplating your whole life. You're like, damn it.
It's like, what did I get myself into?
I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 112 Natural Ivory. I'm going to use a damp Real Technique sponge. I'm sure this is probably going to be a little dark for you. I'm sorry. This is really taking out all your redness stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't have anything to say.
I'm not going to use too much powder because you don't need powder.
It feels so weird.
It's like a really, yeah, it's an odd feeling if you're not used to it. It's definitely like a little bit darker.
Oh yeah, that looks so weird.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay. And I use shade Fair Neutral. I'm just going to... You're such a good brother.
I know.
Okay, now look up. You can tell me if I'm being too rough. Look up. Okay, not with your head, with your eyes. I'm just gonna hold your damn head still.
It's fine. I'm gonna close my eyes.
That works too. Just right in the corners. Okay, open this one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna open one eye, but...
Okay, turn your head a little bit towards me. Just look. You're crying. I need to get the foundation off your lips, because you know like that scene in Star Wars? Or like the old guy that's like, what is his name? The guy that like gets Anakin to like go to the dark side, and he like
Palpatine?
Yeah, like when like he like goes from being like a normal like nice old looking man to like a crusty ass. You're fine. Do you want some chapstick?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Now Chase is using some chapstick.
And then I'm using some burpees.
Okay, now I'm taking the Kat Von D Lock It translucent powder on a Luxie foundation brush, precision foundation brush.
Precision.
And I'm just gonna set your under eyes just a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and a Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm gonna bronze Chase up. You have a smaller forehead than I do.
It's weird because I have a bigger head.
That's true. And I never really contour my nose, so I'm just kind of lightly dusting this on Chase. Lift your chin up. Okay. Now, I'm going to give his face a break, and I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in chocolate and fill in his brows a little bit. Brush out your brows. Okay, tilt your head up a bit. Otherwise, you have great brows, Chase.
I know.
Sorry, I just like spit on you. Don't do that.
I have to.
Are you gonna cry?
Yeah.
Okay, tilt your head up. Look a little bit this way. There you go. You don't have to raise your eyebrows.
Okay, this is like the weirdest part.
Can I look a little bit? I just want to look at you. Like, what does it look on camera? Honestly, on camera, it doesn't look as crazy as like it does in person. But they look.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, now I'm just going to comb them out a little bit, and then I'm going to use this Cella Eyebrow Defining Clear Gel just to set his brows. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Smashbox 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using Tempera? I'm going to use this to set the base. Now I'm going in with Raw Sienna, and I'm going to use a MAC 224. Somehow bunch of stuff. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to take red ochre. I'm going to put this on the outer corner. Are you going to be okay?
Feels so weird. Feels so weird. Oh. It's so difficult.
And I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. This is just a Urban Decay brush from like the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to take a little bit of that color and I'm going to bring this into the crease. Turn a little bit towards me.
No, I won't.
So ridiculous.
I'm gonna die.
Maybe not. You guys should have seen Chase before this. Oh. He had a full beard and he shaved it off for me. If your brother doesn't shave off his beard for you, he doesn't love you. This is like a little different because Chase has blue eyes and I have hazel eyes. So this is gonna make your eyes pop. Ow! I just hit my ankle on this bed. Does it like tickle?
It does.
Oh.
I've always had that problem though.
Mm-hmm.
My neck.
Oh yeah, your neck is really ticklish. When Chase was a little kid, I used to do his makeup. Every once in a while.
Makeup, dress, hair, nails,
This is
whole
fun.
shebang.
You looked great.
No, I look like a 40-year-old housewife.
Exactly. Great. I know, I feel like as you got older, you definitely didn't care as much. I feel like you only did it because you wanted to hang out with me.
Well, yeah, it gave me something to do.
That's true. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with a concealer and a detailer brush, and I'm going to carve out his crease. I'm going to give him a little half-cut crease because that's something I do a lot. Okay. Open your eye a little bit. Just a little bit. I just want to see it. Okay, that works. Closing good. Yeah? Dude, you're cracking me up. Okay, close your eyes.
My eyes have struggles, okay?
Okay, close your eyes again. Are you fucking serious? Oh, jeez. This eye was gonna look so good to you.
It's hard when your hand is on my mouth.
Hard to talk?
No. Hard to, like, stay concentrated and not laugh.
You're like, it's so funny, your hand's on my mouth.
Well, no, it just feels weird.
Now I'm going to take a little pencil brush. I'm going to take that red ochre color. I'm just going to blend some more. Now I'm going to go in with Primavera, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush. The name is not on it anymore. It's just a flat, like, shader brush. I'm going to pack this on Chase's lid. I could kick this up a notch. I'm going to go get something. I'll be back. I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray. I'm going to go back in, and this will just make it a lot more pigmented.
Is it supposed to look like bronze?
Yeah, it's like a gold line.
I don't know. Something weird.
No. This is like, I'm doing like what I would normally do like on myself, on you.
I was expecting some like weird green.
No, I'm not gonna like...
Just like putting wings on my eyes.
Oh,
and
that,
everything.
we are doing that. That's a
sh-
definite, like, gonna
oh,
happen.
Shit. Oh god.
You nervous?
No, this is just gonna take forever.
No, it's not. I'm like really close to being done.
Seriously?
Yeah. It doesn't take me that long to do my makeup. You sleepy? Okay, now we're taking that raw sienna color and I'm using this, like, I guess it's like a shader brush, I don't know. This is gonna be weird. You are struggling right now.
Yeah, it hurts.
Okay, and I'm gonna take the smaller end of this brush and I'm gonna use that red ochre color and I'm gonna get up in there. So I'm gonna be really careful, okay? I just need you to not blink a lot. See, that's not that bad. I believe in you, Chase. You're gonna be fine. Oh, look at you. You're such a champ. Now I'm going to use some eyeliner on him.
This is going to be the worst.
No, it's not. I want you to open turn your head a little bit towards me. Don't open it that big. Like, just like normal. Be normal for 5 seconds of your life. Please.
I can't. I'm having struggles.
Okay, close your eyes then.
See, this is so much easier.
Okay, open your eye a little bit. Honestly. You know, if I had your eye color.
Well, you don't. Stuck with them
Chase.
nasty hazel eyes.
That was, first of all, rude. Second one, made me mess up.
Good.
Just gonna throw in some gold eyeshadow up on that bitch.
Imperfections, to me, are perfections.
Okay, turn your head. Actually, I think I'm gonna smoke it out. Now I'm taking Cypress Umber, the brown in the palette, and I'm blending it over it just to make it a little bit more smoked out and not as black. Now I'm gonna take that Primavera color and I'm gonna put that in your inner corner. Then a little on the brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna curl his eyelashes.
Oh God.
You have to keep your eyes open, but like look like straight ahead of you. You look so sad. Are you okay? Okay,
Trying
turn.
to be done.
Bitch, fucking stop.
I can't. Are we done?
No.
God, how long is this gonna take?
Okay, I'm gonna go with the Pixie highlighter I like and my Morphe M510 brush, and I'm gonna highlight Chase's cheekbones. Close your eyes. Not too hard.
It shot me.
Ready to go in? Like a touch more. Okay, and now for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector and Mineral Blush Duo, and this one is in Champagne Pop and Flower Child. Okay, and these are the Ardell Mega Volume 250s. I'm using Duo Lash Glue. Oh my god. Okay, close them. Keep them closed. Stop fluttering.
I literally can't flutter.
You just blink like rapidly. Is it weird?
It is.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
That's okay. You don't have to like it.
Makeup part I don't really care about. It's just the eyelashes.
They're really weird to get used to. You look so sad.
I just don't feel like I can't. I feel like I can't see out of it. You know what I mean?
You can kind of see a little bit of the eyelash.
Yeah.
Yeah. You look beautiful though.
That's what you have to deal with on a daily basis.
You get used to it.
I feel like you're just looking at your eyebrow.
No, sometimes I can't even tell.
Why do you look exactly like Morgan?
What's the point?
Oh my god. You do look like me.
I
Oh my gosh.
have no words.
Jeez. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna do your lips. Okay, right now this is my favorite lip combination. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Naked 2. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Blankety lipstick. Oh my
Are we done?
god, dude.
Are we done?
Dude,
Are we done?
we're done. Hold
Are we
still. I'm zooming in. You look so good though. What the heck?
That's right.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are not subscribed to me yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I might do more fun videos like this if this was even fun. It was fun for me. I don't think it was fun for Chase.
No.
Do you want them to follow you on your stuff?
No.
Okay. He doesn't want you to
No.
know any of his stuff. But I have my links to my other social medias down in the description bar if you would like to follow me on those. I have a makeup account, and then I have my personal Instagram, and then I have my Twitter down there. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.